Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem on Twitter. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly to apps or applications. Here as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You search only for Twitter. And when you find Twitter, just you have to open it like this, and then you have to go now directly to storage, click on clear cache, also clear data, and go back, also click on force stop, and then you have to go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.